How to open WhatsApp in laptop. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just open up your web browser and then just simply search up for WhatsApp. And then after that, just click on the first link that will pop up. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in the WhatsApp website. And then from here, you can either download the WhatsApp application right here, or you can just simply sign in. So if you want to download the WhatsApp app in your laptop, just simply click on download right here and then just set up the installer. But for this video, I will just sign up in the web. So to do that, just go to WhatsApp web right here, click on that. And then after that, what you want to do now is to just simply follow these steps right here. So for step 1, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap the menu icon on Android or settings on iPhone, and then after that, just tap on link devices, and then link a device, and then point your phone at this screen to capture the QR code. So I will just do that right now, and then after scanning the QR code, your messages will now start to load, and of course, your WhatsApp account will now be logged in. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So let's say you want to add this app to your desktop. What you want to do is just go to the top right corner right here and then just click on install WhatsApp web and then just click on install again. And then after that, WhatsApp web will now be in your desktop right here. And then now you can access WhatsApp from here. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open WhatsApp in laptop.